Hi everyone, I'm Yan and welcome to my table. Today, a delectable end of summer treat for anyone who loves buttery pastry and fresh, ripe, in-season peaches. So keep watching if you want to learn to make the best and easiest pastry ever. This all-purpose pie pastry dough uses just and use unsalted butter, cold right from the fridge. Cut it into small cubes. If you want a crumblier texture, try to find a lower moisture butter, but any good quality butter will be fine. To the all-purpose flour, add salt and stir to mix. In goes all the butter cubes. Then with clean hands, start rubbing the butter into the flour, smushing the butter with the flour in between your fingers to combine the two until you get a sandy, crumbly texture throughout. Now slowly stream in the water. Then bring the crumbs together by pushing it into a ball. As soon as the dough comes together, stop working it. It might look quite loose, but do not overwork this dough or it will develop too much gluten, which will make the pastry less tender. Wrap the dough in plastic and leave it in the fridge to chill for at least 1 hour. This pastry dough is good for both savory and sweet fillings, but today I'm using in-season local peaches. However, feel free to use plums, apples, pears, or any other delicious fruit that you've got your hands on. Prepare the fruit by removing the stone and slicing it thinly over the bowl to catch all the juices. And because these peaches are super ripe and sweet, I'm not adding much sugar, just a couple of tablespoons, as well as 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to trap the oozy peach juices. And that's it. No other flavorings needed. When the pastry is chilled and hardened, we can roll it out on a lightly floured surface. Roll it out pretty thin into about 40 centimeters in diameter. This will yield about a 30 centimeter galette once it's formed. And a galette, in case you don't know, is just a free-form pie. It doesn't require a mold and it's very easy to shape. To assemble, move the rolled out pastry dough carefully onto the baking tray. Then, pour all the peaches and the juices onto the center. Flatten out the filling so that it's a single layer. Then wrap the pastry around the fruit by folding in around the edges. This way of making pie is super casual, so no need to worry about uniformity. Now dot the top of the peaches with small bits of butter. Then brush the exposed pastry with egg wash, and if you want, sprinkle with extra sugar. Then into a preheated 350 Fahrenheit, 180 centigrade oven for about 1 hour to 1 hour and 10 minutes. Make sure to put it on the lowest rack in your oven so the bottom will crisp up nicely. And when it comes out of the oven all bronzed, bubbly, and blistered, let it cool down on wide rack until you can absolutely no longer resist. This is the easiest and most foul-proof pastry recipe that I know. Just 4 simple ingredients that will give you a crispy, flaky, and buttery pastry every single time. Use this dough for both savory and sweet fillings. Whatever is in season, whatever you like. For me, a slice of this peach galette celebrates the best of summer. Topped with vanilla ice cream, it's simply divine. If you love peaches, make this today while in-season local peaches are still here. As always, go to Jan's Family Table for the full written recipe. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more recipes like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.